Welcome to Dodo, the decentralized platform transforming crypto index trading. Imagine traditional trading, with high fees and complex intermediaries. Now, imagine a decentralized alternative, where your assets stay in your control. Connect directly with your wallet, without third-party custody. Choose from a wide range of indices to diversify your portfolio. Select Top 20, AI, Layer 1, DeFi, and beyond. Dodo equips you with powerful tools, set stop loss, track your health factor, and even follow top traders. And with Dodo, your gas fees are minimized through smart transaction aggregation, saving you more with every trade. Want to create your own index? Dodo gives you the freedom to build custom portfolios that reflect your unique strategy. Your assets are protected in secure smart contracts, giving you complete transparency and control. Join Dodo and experience a new era of crypto index trading, direct, secure, and decentralized.
Investing doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. Let Protocol Yield connect you with top-performing traders so you can invest with confidence. From low-risk options to high-reward strategies, there's a trader for everyone. You can sit back and relax while Protocol Yield works to grow your wealth. Join Protocol Yield now and let the experts trade for you. Welcome to Protocol Yield, the AI-powered platform designed to make smart investments effortless. Tired of analyzing market data and making complex trading decisions? Protocol Yield simplifies it all with AI-driven strategies tailored to your goals. With Protocol Yield, you can choose your strategy, whether it's balanced growth, low-risk security, or high-reward opportunities. Our AI executes it flawlessly. Our AI works around the clock, analyzing the markets and making smart decisions, so your investments can grow while you focus on life. Sit back and watch your wealth grow. With Protocol Yield, profits are just a tap away. When you're ready, accessing your profits is fast and easy. Just one tap, and it's in your hands. Protocol Yield takes your trading to the next level. Trade smarter, live better. Let AI handle the rest.
General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, good day. Please welcome to Affiliate Marketing 3.0 event. Today, my name is Grace, and it gives me such great pleasure to be able to introduce this event to you. But first, I'd like to welcome everybody that is here and acknowledge the time that you are taking out of your schedule to be here, and acknowledge the fact that you're here to learn so that you can earn. Now, please share that with everybody that's on your team. Go ahead and give them a text, give them a call, remind them that they need to be here with you learning, because the team that learns together grows together and earns together. So, and also because this is the masterclass training with the master trainer, please grab your notebooks and your pens and get ready to jot down some notes, especially your questions, because he'll take a few questions afterwards. And you want to be able to convey that information to those who may not be able to make it today. But thank you all for being here. You are totally amazing. Now, as I said, my name is Grace, and it gives me such privilege to be able to welcome our presenter today. Trashit is hailing all the way from India to be able to impart to you all the things that has been happening in Affiliate Marketing 3.0. He's going to focus on a particular product and be able to drive down to deep into it so that you'll have a clear understanding. It has been a triumphant and heartwarming week, because after a couple of months, Chavez was here on Wednesday to provide us an update on how he is doing, and he looked great. Trashit, I really think that part of the peace of mind that he has was, and the rest.
Thank you, Grace. Yes, it was a fantastic week. We got to see Chavez after such a long period of time, and he was so heartwarming. He with his charisma, he has been brilliant, and we really hope we get to see him more often. Now, yes, this is weekend call. This is a Friday evening, and we are almost about to enter weekend. Before we do that, let's get some learning so that we can make earning. I'm Rashid. I'll be the key presenter tonight, key trainer tonight. In fact, I have been a rank leader from very beginning, and I'm from India, and I have been into this crypto and blockchain space for almost 5 years now. Initially, like everybody else, even I had the perception, Bitcoin is a sin. It is not for us. But then when I got involved, slowly by slowly, learning about the basic nature of cryptocurrency being decentralized, that itself gives you so much power. when you compare institutional finance or the traditional finance with this decentralized world that we are all a part of, it is very, very powerful. You have your own control over your own money. That's more important. And that is what Bitcoin has brought as a digital currency. Before we begin, I have something interesting for you all. Let me quickly share it with you. And after that, we will begin the training. So do you know it's 22nd of May today? And in fact, today it's celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day. Why? Because somebody as ignorant like us, or we had been that ignorant ourselves, sold 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 Papa John's pizza. And the date was 22nd of May, 2010, I believe. I have a quick video as well, just to
posted on the forum. I said, you know, if anybody's interested, I'm offering 10,000 Bitcoins in exchange for some pizza. And somebody there said, hey, I'll take you up on that offer. So I sent him the 10,000 Bitcoin. I said, okay, here it is, I'm waiting for my pizza. And, he phoned it in, he paid with his credit card. And
so this could have, in fact, this has happened to most of them. Why? The number one reason is ignorance. And it is therefore very important for every one of us. It doesn't matter what tribe you belong to, which region you belong to, which caste you belong to, which creed you belong to. It is very important that if you are learning, if you are participating, it is very important for you to get the basics of what you are getting involved into. It is very important for you, if you are starting a business, it is very important for you to get into the depth of that business so that you can make the most of it. Many people have started affiliate marketing, but they are so casual about it. One reason may be, like, here we don't have any boss who can guide us, who can control us, who can command us. We are our own bosses, right? For that reason, and to experience that freedom. But in a way, many people, they exploit this freedom they get. So we can understand that it is with everybody. Even we sometimes feels less motivated. But when you are involved with any business, any opportunity, please make sure that you go to the extreme levels of understanding, so that you don't make this kind of silly mistakes, which can cost you life. Okay. That being said, so let us begin our master training. And yes, of course, we, like all the master trainings we have tonight, exclusive sessions on few products that we often undertake in our master trainings. So today we are gonna be learning more about Dodo 2.0, which is about to come, as we have seen the updates on almost like 28th of May. In like in a week, we will have the latest version. We will have a demo of latest version of Dodo 2.0. So everybody, this is Affiliate Marketing 3.0. We are trying to redefine affiliate marketing through decentralized and collective trust. We are a launchpad to very innovative projects, to a community. And through these projects, we are trying to establish a decentralized ecosystem, some exceptional products we are trying to deliver. And through this, we are trying to transform this affiliate marketing industry. So the first product, Bitcoin Code, of course, we know it's a basic fundamental coin of our own blockchain, BTC20 smart chain that we all are a part of, right? So it is a very, very futuristic coin, which has a very promising value in near future, and it has its own mining ecosystem. Then we have another product that is Liquid Pay, which gives you a basic functionality of paying in fiat currencies using your crypto assets. Associated with this, lots of things are coming. In fact, we will see many great collaborations with this Liquid Pay, because this is in fact a financial product that is already released in the market. And once this financial product is launched already, and with Dio Bank getting involved with this, being designed and developed around this, it's going to bring so much traction from the other financial aspects. Then we have Dodo, which is we are going to cover as it is in tonight's session, and it is again being restructured, it is being redesigned, and this was a unique product. Of course, we were the pioneers with index trading, and we are, again changing the index trading completely. Capital 3.0, of course, this is a futuristic investment into seed, unicorn projects. Then protocol yield, which is like a real-time trading analysis done by AI. And with that, we have a privilege of participating with the high-frequency traders on centralized exchanges like Binance and Bybit. So this is just a beginning. This is just the tip of an iceberg. We have many years to go. We have lots of products to be included in this business suite, and there is so much more that is coming onto affiliate marketing 3.0. So for that reason, I can assure you, we can assure you, in fact, that this can be your best opportunity in terms of crypto or blockchain products, or maybe from the affiliate side, this can be your best opportunity. All right. So that being said, let us understand Pi. We have already done that last week. I will just brief you about this. So protocol yield, as we all know, it's a pi.xyz, it's a URL. And this is a concept based on social finance. Social finance, where collectively we get involved on a platform, and it's a mutual collaboration between the platform and a community so that both mutually benefit, right? So we have officially broker accounts on Binance and Bybit, two of the biggest exchanges. And through this master broker account, we are managing sub-brokers accounts of high frequency traders. These high frequency traders are being monitored, analyzed, and real time from the trading behavior of these HFTs, a real time data is determined, and this data is called Pi score. So with this Pi score, it becomes easy for us as a client to participate with this HFTs, and we only need to share a profit percentage with this HFTs. So this is the entire arrangement of protocol yield. Of course, on Pi, when you subscribe to protocol yield license, when you subscribe to protocol yield license, these licenses are for lifetime. They have a validity of lifetime. They entitled you to a certain AUM, that is asset under management, right? And there is a success fee associated with each license. This success fee is the percentage of profit being shared with the traders. And this percentage is also, very critical component, because only when the traders make a profit, that profits percentage is being shared. So these traders only make a dime when they make a profit. So it's very important for these HFTs to claim a profit, to in fact claim an income from this platform. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. So for that reason, there is a high tendency of this HFTs making a profit. And that's how we benefit. This platform is 100% passive. We don't need to affiliate to be a part of this platform. You don't need to get involved with day-to-day trading. All you have to do is allocate a fund to these traders, and they use their strategies, their algorithms, their softwares, their experience, and they make a profit. From that profit, a percentage is shared with these traders, and that's called the success fee. Now, how much you can get involved with this HFTs is determined which kind of license you have. The higher the license, more percentage you get, less you share profit with the trader. Like you can see here, the whale passes offer 50%, the first license offer 50%, and as we move on to higher licenses, the success fee reduces to as low as 25%. And along with that, the asset under management, that is the maximum that you can invest with this HFTs, it also increases. Like from whale pass, the maximum that they can allocate to this traders is $500. And with the highest whale pass, highest license 6, $50,000 worth, it is $500,000. And the success fee only 25%. So ultimately, everybody should try to get to higher licenses so that you have more capacity to allocate to this traders, as well as you share less profit with these traders. And the best part is all these upgrades are in incremental value where you only have to pay the differential amount. Let's say you are on whale pass $100 and then you upgrade to license 1, you only need to pay $400. That's the differential amount. If you are on $500 license 1 and you want to upgrade to $1,000, you need to pay only the differential amount, that is $500, right? This is one of the key USP of this Pi license. Along with that, when you get onto the dashboard, of course, this is a KYC platform, 100% legally compliant. When you get onto the dashboard and when you invest, when you deposit and you invest, the funds are protected and secured by two main entities. The first one is Fireblocks. Let us research Fireblocks. So Fireblocks is a third-party partner which is practically responsible for all the industry-leading certifications, providing the basic digital asset infrastructure for scaling and for scaling the security of this entire asset management on Pi. So these are leading experts in digital asset custody and treasury management. So we avail their services, right? Along with that, there is SAFU, that is Secured Asset Funds for Users. So this is a provision by Binance. They established a fund. They started establishing a fund in July 2018 to protect the funds of the users, of clients like us. So gradually, from the trading fees that they charge from the traders, they started accumulating, in this SAFU wallet. And as of now, the value of this wallet is of $1 billion. So this serves as a guarantee that the funds are protected by Binance. In fact, it is like a tagline: funds are safe, funds are SAFU. Okay. So if you track this wallet, we took this wallet from the website, Binance Academy, and we are tracking this wallet. So this is almost 1 billion USDC. Okay. So Protocol Yield offers utmost security of our funds through Fireblocks, through SAFU, through SSL certifications. Along with that, we have a flexibility of remaining invested, maybe reinvesting profits, and profits and capital also we can withdraw anytime. If I have made this, I have withdrawn funds from this account, and I will like to share it with you all so that you can see the funds we can withdraw. So these are the deposits. You can see almost 350, 100, 450, and 460. And these are the withdrawals: 350, 10, and 100. So almost 460. So whatever we had invested, we have withdrawn completely, along with claiming the profits as well in between. So funds are 100% secured. Along with that, the funds are, very flexible to invest as well as to withdraw. You may choose from the 6 HFTs as of now, and as they perform, as after every PSDS cycle, their pi score is determined and a PNL report is submitted by them. You claim a profit, or maybe sometimes you incur a loss as well. So this traders, they use strategies, they use their expertise, and they do all the trading. So collectively, like if you speak of BTC Alpha, you can see almost $135,000 has been collected or allocated to BTC Alpha from 1,089 investors, right? And this is their chart. You can see 1 month, you can see 3 months, you can see 6 months, you can see 1 year. And this is the compounding percentage they have claimed from this trading. So as you can see, it's almost 12.88% this month, 37.43 across 3 months, and 211.91 across a year. So you may choose from these traders as you want and as you feel comfortable. So please research these traders, okay, and choose wisely which traders you would like to go with. All traders have different strategies. They have different, their own way of trading. And one thing that can help you is, this chart. Like this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So as of now, these two are performing good. Okay. So you can remain invested. And if you choose to withdraw your profit completely or a percentage, this profit, you can accumulate in this available wallet, and you can then either reinvest it with other HFT or you can withdraw. If you choose to reinvest, so your profit, it keeps on, at aligning with your capital, and that way you keep on compounding and your capital increases. So this platform is 100% passive, and it's a profit sharing platform. And again, you don't have to do anything but to allocate funds with these traders. These traders, they use their expertise and they make a profit, and they have high tendency of making a profit, because that's how only they make a profit, success fee for themselves. All right. So you understood this basic structure of pi, right? Let's move on to protocol yield. I'm sorry, let's move on to Dodo, and I will help you understand what's coming on Dodo. So if you first of all, go to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin almost $109, and yesterday it went to $111,800, all-time high. So if you go through this CoinMarketCap, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies. If I scroll down to this home page or the landing page, there are list of cryptocurrencies, and you can see almost it's showing 100 out of 9,740 coins and tokens. So this crypto ecosystem, day by day, it's with all the new tokens and coins getting listed, it's expanding at a very exponential level. And for that reason, it becomes very important for us to do research and to be very, very determined in this crypto and blockchain space, so that we don't miss a chance to make a profit. Because with so many cryptocurrencies, there is so much of opportunities, as well as there is so much risk. So there are different categories of cryptocurrencies, as you can see. Rehypothecated crypto, Binance, memes, Solana ecosystem, BNB chain ecosystem, AI and big data, RWA, gaming, DePIN, DeFi, AI agent, Telegram bot. So different coins and tokens every day are being released in this different segments, and they are categorized based on their technology and their functionalities. So there is so much to research, so much to explore. And let's say you have done all your research and you have concluded to some 10 cryptocurrencies, right? Now, it is quite possible that from this, your 10 favorite cryptocurrencies, you may not find them across all the exchanges. Some cryptocurrencies would be available either on DEX, some on SEX, some in one exchange, the other on other exchange. And to monitor, to manage, to to do the trading, it becomes so difficult, it becomes so time consuming. So for that reason, what if you can have a platform on which you have all your favorite cryptocurrencies, or maybe your specific set of cryptocurrencies, and you can do buying and selling at a single click. So this is index trading. And Dodo is all about that index trading. So right now, this is the current version of Dodo. It's a decentralized version, but we all know that in the decentralized systems, we have one primary challenge of liquidity. And for that reason, Dodo is now shifting to a centralized entity. So Dodo is completely being restructured from DeFi to it's going to be on the CeFi, centralized finance. But the basic understanding of Dodo, it's about index trading, and that will be retained in the new version as well. So Dodo, as you can see, we lovingly call it the NASDAQ of DeFi. So Dodo right now offers indices. So cryptocurrencies from the entire ecosystem have been categorized into different categories, and they have been labeled as indices. You can buy this indices, individual or many indices, and your money is in fact being invested into the underlying cryptocurrencies in that particular portfolio or in that particular indices. Okay, so there are different indices depending on the selection of the category of the cryptocurrencies, and we can get access to this portfolios from this platform called Dodo. Dodo has two networks right now, Base and Ethereum. Okay, but eventually it's going to be on a centralized thing, and it's going to change completely, where it won't matter which network we are using, because it's going to be again centralized. Then of course indices will be retained. We will have similar kind of indices, and our money will of course be invested like here in the indices. So let's say you want to buy meme culture. So in fact, when you invest your money with meme culture, your money is getting invested into this different coins, which contribute to the portfolio of this indices, right? There is a weightage. That means the percentage of your deposits being invested into these coins. The best part about this is the average performance of entire portfolio is taken into consideration, and for that reason again there is a high tendency of claiming profits, because like we say, not all the cryptocurrencies perform in a similar fashion. Some may be depreciating, some may be appreciating. And as an index, we always look to the average performance of the entire portfolio. And like you can see, in 24 hours, although it seems minus 0.20%, but if we see the 1 week's performance, it's 16.91. If we see 1 month's performance, it's 45.20%. If we see 3 months performance, it's almost 28.14%. Right? So this is an advantage for us to getting involved with this indices. So this is index trading. So on the new version of Dodo 2.0, the basic concept of index trading will remain the same. Okay, so let me take you to the presentation, and I will help you understand what this index trading is from 2.0's perspective. So Dodo 2.0 is going to be the next leap into crypto index trading. Again, as I have mentioned, this is going to be a centralized platform where you will have to comply with the KYC. Binance and Bybit will be our basic exchange where we will have, again, like Pi, a broker account. And through that broker account, we will be able to participate on Dodo 2.0. So it will elevate the crypto index trading, and it's going to be again a breakthrough product which is again going to be a revolutionary. So the product is a series of ETF. How many of you know about ETF? So ETF are exchange trade funds. So like we have understood indices, ETFs are also like indices. They are a portfolio of different assets, and each product defines a fixed allocation of assets and completes assets purchases. So Dodo 2.0, it's similar to ETF tradings. Okay, an ETF is a type of individual, if it is a type of investment product that lets you buy a bundle of assets through one single purchase. So instead of buying each assets individually, you buy a basket of investments. Okay, so if you buy a unit of ETF, so you are practically buying small pieces of everything that is in that underlying in that basket of investments. Okay, so Dodo 2.0 will be similar. So instead of ETFs, we will be having indices, and it will be like indices of of cryptocurrencies. Let's say you have a index of Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that's one product. But unlike ETF, you don't actually invest in cryptocurrencies, but you invest in the value created of that index through the performance of this cryptocurrencies. So when you invest in Dodo, your money is automatically split between the selected cryptocurrencies. Like ETFs, it tracks the value of the underlying assets and allow you to enter and exit based on the value created by those cryptocurrencies performances. Okay, so net asset value, this is going to be a very important topic for you to understand Dodo 2.0. So it's the one share of the product based on the current market price of the underlying crypto assets. So let's say you have this index where you have BTC and you have Ethereum, and let's say $10,000 is invested in this index. Okay, with this $10,000, a number of share is released. Let's say there are 1,000 shares. Okay, so if 10,000 is invested, the value of each share, it's gonna be $10, right? So this is gonna be the NAV, the net asset value. Now, the value of this index is determined, and that's called net asset value. Okay, so we will be investing in this net asset value. Okay, so now we got to a conclusion that this index of BTC and Ethereum is having a share value of $10 per share. Okay, this is the NAV. And this NAV will be tracked daily depending on the performance of BTC and Ethereum. So let's say $10,000 was collectively invested into this indexes, and because both the currencies they appreciated in value, and this value has increased to maybe $20,000. So obviously the value of NAV will also increase, and it will get to $20 per share, right? So if anybody who would have invested with $10, they would have received, depending on what money they are depositing. Let's say if you plan to invest $1,000 and the value of one share is $10. So you get 100 shares, right? You get 100 shares with $1,000 value. So if the NAV has increased from $10 to $20, so obviously whatever shares you are holding, the value of those shares also increased to $2,000, right? So every day this NAV will be determined. Every day this NAV will be determined, and you can track this NAV, and depending on the value, after the year also there is going to be a PSDS cycle, and you can track this after the PSDS cycle, and you can decide, like on Pi, you can decide after PSDS cycle if you want to again reinvest or you would like to sell off your shares and claim that incremental value of that NAV. So if you choose to reinvest, so that value will be reinvested, and that's how you will grow in portfolio. If you want to cash out, it's up to you. The profit or the capital, it's again flexible like Pi, and you will be able to, either claim daily profits or reinvest daily profits. You can choose to either invest completely, remain invested completely. If you want to withdraw partially or completely, you can do that from the platform. So it's going to be absolutely like Pi. So in context of Dodo 2.0, NAV is the value of one share of the product based on the current market price of the cryptocurrencies it's hold. Okay. Suppose your product holds $10,000 worth of crypto. If there are 1,000 shares, NAV is $10 per share. So when you buy the shares, let's say you want to invest $1,000. So how many shares you will get? 1,000 divided by the current value of the share, right? Your USDT amount divided by your current NAV. In a similar manner, when you will sell the shares, you will receive USDT, and that depends on number of shares and the current value multiplied by current value of NAV. So NAV is recalculated daily based on live crypto prices. So it reflects the real value of your investments. So how it will work? So deposit USDT BEP20 to the wallet, subscribe to a product. If you participate directly on the platform, there is going to be a 1% fees. Okay. If you buy a WAAS subscription and you then buy a product, this 1% fees is not going to be included. That's going to be exempted, and that's how you will deposit the complete value. You receive a product shares based on the NAV. Again, you don't receive cryptocurrencies. You received a number of shares based on the NAV at that time. Track the share value as the asset price changes, and you can sell and you can make a profit. So no actual cryptocurrencies is transferred to the users. User receives shares representing the value of the underlying indices. Daily NAV updates reflect market performance. Redemption converts shares back to the USDT. Of course, the exit fees is 0.5%. PSDS cycle year 2 will be very important and critical. So you may choose to reinvest all your compound gains. You may choose to withdraw your profits partially or completely daily. You may choose to withdraw, take 100% daily gains, or you can, again, wish to and withdraw the entire liquidity you can. So the system is very flexible. Let's say you want to invest $1,000. So these deposits will be on the application side, and it will be on BTC20, USDT BEP20. The fee deducted would be 1%. And so your actual amount invested would be $990. 1% is the platform fees. If you are directly interacting with the platform, if you're going through WAAS, your deposits would be $1,000. No 1% fee is charged here. NAV you bought, you received a number of shares. As the value of these shares increases and you would want to redeem these shares, you claim a profit. And when you redeem these shares, you receive again USDT BEP20 minus 0.5% is the exit fees. Okay. So this platform altogether is like a futuristic opportunity, and it's going to be very transparent. Deposit redemption and NAV updates will be from blockchain. This will increase trust and audibility of the platform. Key benefits would be automated and passive investment, diversified exposures to crypto, transparent fee and NAV structure, low entry barrier, 10 USDT minimum to start with. It's going to be again a KYC platform. So this is the again evolution of index trading, and this is going to be very uh, great opportunity again for everybody. So the timeline for Dodo 2.0 is May 28th. We will have the first look of Dodo 2.0. June 1st, all the users will be able to check their order status. So right now we have a existing version. So all the members who have bought the product here, the indices, they will be shifted to the new format, and we all will be able to see the order statuses. So whatever indices you have purchased here, they are going to be shifted there. So by June 5th, full dashboard goes live, and by June 18, the system becomes fully operational. Again, there is going to be a coupon redemption system here. So you buy a coupon on WAAS back office. Let me show you. So right now, this is the current subscriptions of Dodo, sorry. And like Pi, we have a AUM. Here we had index buying limit. Can you see the similarities? How much the value of the packages would be, how much the index buying limit would be, that will all be disclosed as we are near to the launch of the platform. Okay. So this is Dodo 2.0, and again, it's going to be another successful product in our business suite. And anybody who has bought existing Dodo's license and they have not been able to get their wallet whitelisted, please reach out to your rank leader and submit these details to us. Before this Dodo 2.0 goes live, we need to affirm all the whitelisting of wallets. So if there are certain members who have not been able to get their accounts whitelisted, please submit your details to your rank leaders so that we can get them whitelisted. So that is all from the presentation side, and any questions we have, we will take. Over to you, Grace. Noni, please co-host Grace. I believe she.
Rashid, what can I say? When you present, I want to really see about us getting an accreditation, educational accreditation, so that you can sign it and I can get my master's degree in cryptoology. This is fantastic training. Thank you so much for being able to provide us the similarities between Pi and Dodo and the expectation of Dodo 2.0, and as well as give us the timeline. This is why that it has been such a refreshing yet exciting week, and you have finished it off well. Now we'll be ready to go ahead and get folks onboarded starting Saturday, because everybody is going to be so excited and get new folks. It appears that Ian has a question. So, yeah, Ian, if you put on your camera and I will unmute you. Please go ahead and unmute yourself and ask your question.
Greetings, everyone. Trashit, two quick questions. First, some of us are using Dodo unwhitelisted. So I got on base before it was clear how to whitelist. Well, first I got on Ethereum and I whitelisted an Ethereum address, so that account is through a subscription and whitelisted. But I've been trading on Base without a subscription. So how would those assets be moved over to Dodo 2.0?
Give us one more week. We will have clear instructions and a clear format how this accounts will be moved. Many people have, in fact, two licenses. I mean, one on the base and one on the Ethereum, two wallet addresses whitelisted. So how exactly that will happen? But one thing is for sure, on Dodo as well, there is going to be only one KYC account. So how actually we will be able to claim two wallet addresses onto Dodo? That is what we have to look into, and it will give us a 1 week. After that, we will have clear instruction how this transition will happen.
Okay. Also, with the current Dodo licenses, you're getting what is it, 100x the subscription value
Yes.
for AUM that you can put in. I'm going to use the term AUM for Dodo also, since we will be. Is it going to be the same 100x? Do you know that yet, or
We
will we
don't
have
have
to
that
wait?
information yet,
Okay.
so we will wait for 1 more week.
Okay. Thank you. Short and sweet.
Yeah.
Trustee, just for clarity, did I understand even those that were bought publicly, the Dodos that were bought publicly directly from the website, might be able to be moved over?
Practically, they don't get the index buying limit there, so it doesn't make any sense. But still, we have that wallet address attached to that Dodo existing account, right? So there has to be some whitelisting process for addresses on Dodo 2.2, so that everything associated with that wallet address, it moves to the new format.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Without subscription through WAAS.
Subscription through WAAS will be like as it is. They
Mhm.
will, I believe, they will get the buying limit. But those who have directly interacted with the platform, they still have bought indexes there. So how this index is bought with associated with that address, they get transferred to the 2.0. We will have to see that.
Excellent. Excellent. And so we're still on track. Is the deadline for the purchases of the WAAS still the 27th now?
Yes, the new deadline is 27th of May. That is Tuesday. We all have got some more timeline to make most of this well pass.
Okay. And that's going to be 11 o'clock a.m. UTC.
Yes, 11 hours UTC.
Okay. All right. Muta has a question. Muta, if you put on your camera, please. Muta? How are you today? Go ahead and unmute yourself right next to your. Okay, great. Go ahead and ask your question.
Yeah, nice to hear from you, Miss Grace.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
goes to Rashid. Yeah, I have a problem with my miner, which I got as a free, as a free service when I subscribe to Boomerang, but it has never worked until to date. How can I do? What can I do or go about it?
You have not received the miner, or you have already received, you cannot start
Yes,
mining BTCC.
yeah, worked until to date. And when I try to contact my upliners, really they're, as you know, some of them are disappointed. They don't want to attend to us. So that's why I've called in for your help. Yeah.
I'm still confused about your question. Is it that you have not received the miner, or you have received the miner and not being able to start mining?
Yes, yes. I received the miner, but it's not working. It's not active ever since up to date.
Huh.
It's not. It has never worked. Yeah, but
Mm.
I received it.
So you might be requiring BTCC to start mining. Is it so? Do you know process how to
BTTC.
start mining?
I have BT.
So
No, I don't. I don't have
what's
the
the
idea.
question, Grace? Are you able to understand the question?
Yes, I think that he doesn't know how to get it staked, so that it can start mining. Is that something that we could take care of during Q&A on Thursday, or should we?
It's a simple process. I will help him right now also. I can help him right now. But
Okay,
is it the right question you are asking? I mean, you
right.
cannot stake your miners, is it so?
I beg your pardon.
Muta, you've received the miner, right?
Yes, I've
Muta?
received the miner.
Okay. Well, have you been able to go to your MetaMask, go through your MetaMask, or go to the decentralized application for miners and been able to stake it so that it will start mining? Have you been able to do that?
Yes, I tried it, but it failed.
You tried to stake it, but it failed.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
for
yeah. They
that,
gave me the
yeah.
them and all failed me.
Okay.
Okay.
For that, you will have to sit on one-to-one with tech. So Thursday would be the right day for you. Please join on this Thursday.
Thank you for the
We
reply.
will have to look into your accounts, what exactly the challenge is, where you are stuck, getting stuck. You already have BTCC with you, right?
Yes, yes, I have BTTC. Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Then it has to be something related to the blockchain. Then maybe Joe or Carl will have to look into it. So please join on Thursday call live Q&A next Thursday.
Okay, thank you, Trey.
No problem.
Thank you, thank you.
All righty. Okay. Good.
So,
Good question.
before we begin, one important announcement for everybody. So
Mhm.
if anybody is having any NFT, they have purchased, not the free one, not the complimentary one. If they have purchased an NFT and they have not received the NFT, then the pending NFT request, you need to submit WAAS user ID, date of purchase, and the wallet address on which you want the NFT. This has to be submitted through your rank leader. So please reach out to your rank leader in your line of sponsorship. If there are any discrepancy with the whitelisting of wallet addresses on Dodo, so please send these details: was user ID, date of purchase, wallet address, and just a short yes or no. If it was a smart account wallet, you guys know what the smart account wallet on Dodo is. It's only for base blockchain, right? So please submit this information to your rank leader and they will reach out to us. Yes, Grace, over to you and let's conclude.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, while we are wrapping up, please allow me to draw your attention to the chat. On the chat, there's a lot of information. What trash sheet just went over is in the chat. So copy it and put it on your as part of your library of notes and things of that nature so that you'll be able to remind yourself to do this and get with your rank leader to assist you in finding your NFTs or letting the corporate know about NFTs, any missing NFTs, and as far as your Dodo whitelisting. Please copy it now. If you have not been able to ask a question here because you're still thinking about it, please use the DYQ, that is drop your question form. That is going to be in the chat. Make sure to fill that out. The nice thing about you filling it out is because there will be an answer that's provided, And then the result of those answers, you will be able to check them. And in there, you will be able to see your questions that answered. Very nice about that, but you might want to check those results first, because a lot of questions have been asked. And in those results where the questions have been answered, those questions are there, the answers are there. Your question may have already been asked and answered. So you want to check that. So we have formed sort of a frequently asked questions, so check that before you fill out a DYQ form, or still go ahead and fill out that DYQ form. Also, what you want to do is fill out an evaluation form. That form is also in the chat. Fill that out to help us to help yourself, okay? You help yourself by giving us feedback about the events, about the information. Is there a different way to be able to present it? Trashid's a master presenter. But is there anything else, not only as far as this particular event, but any of the events? Please use that evaluation form. Now, today's masterclass training, Trashid fills out the week, completes the week with this training. Next
Recording stopped.
step is going to be the onboarding. That is where you bring your prospects, anybody that you have brought in new, and that will be provided. The training will be provided to get them started, get them to learn the WAAS back office, and get them on board, structured, and off to a good start. So make sure that you attend that with anyone that you have invited. That will be 3 p.m. UK time tomorrow, Saturday. We look forward to seeing you then. Thank you, Trashid. Thank you, everyone who was here today, and happy learning and earning. Thank you all. Bye-bye.